Today we're going to talk about the Rough Country soft roll-up bed cover on my 2022 Toyota Tundra. Welcome back everyone. I hope you guys are all staying healthy and safe. And I want to give you guys a quick update on what's going on with the Tundra. As some of you guys may know, I picked this thing up a couple months ago and I haven't released any videos on this since. Now I have gone through and test fit a few different wheels on this thing and tires, and just as far as like fitments, and I actually just picked up a new set of wheels for the truck and I've got tires coming, so I'm not going to spoil it for you guys, but that will be coming up here in the next few weeks. I will also be doing a leveling kit on the truck when I do the tires, so I'll make sure to do a nice install video for you guys on that. The primary reason for this video is there is one mod I did do to the truck that actually stayed on, and it's actually the Rough Country soft roll-up cover. Now one of the first things I do with all my trucks is I always get a bed cover, and generally I always go for a soft one, mainly because I am able to roll it all the way up to give you full access to the bed, which trifolds don't really give you that luxury. Even if they do, they kind of fold all the way up to the window, and I'm just not, super stoked on that. So I decided to go with the Rough Country one. It's a soft roll-up. I mean, this thing came in at like $260 shipped, so it was like one of the most like cost-effective solutions on the market. And it is a 2022 Tundra specific cover, so I mean, it fits perfect. I've had this thing installed now for quite some time, and we've gone through, rain, snow, and at one point I did have about an inch of frozen snow on the cover for about a week until it melted, and it actually didn't affect the integrity of the cover at all. As you guys can see, it's staying nice and tight. A lot of people ask, whether or not Rough Country is a quality product, and the thing is, American made, designed, and most importantly with a lot of these covers, if you choose to do the research yourself, you will see that most of these things are coming out of the same factory from the US, so as far as like quality, it's going to be up there, if not better than most covers on the market. If you are on a budget, even if you're not on a budget and you're looking for a super low profile cover that will give you full access to your bed, it's a great solution. Installation, because it does utilize the OEM deck rail system, it took me under 15 minutes to do the install. Essentially all you have to do is pull out your little caps, use the provided clamps, slide them into the deck rail system. After that, take the side rails, put them into place, just finger tighten them down, get them nicely aligned. After that, go through and put your little tensioning blocks in. Once that's done, tighten the side rails down, crank those suckers down. After that, go through and put your actual cover in and really just like roll it out. I mean, it is by far one of the easiest installs, and it's one of the things that if you're just getting into working on your own trucks and you're not sure if you want to work on your trucks or not, if you enjoy it, it's a perfect product for you to get your hands dirty by doing this install. And I will tell you that 99% of you out there will be able to do this with just basic hand tools. And if you are not too confident, just have a buddy help you. Upcoming for the Tundra, as I mentioned, we got wheels, tires coming, leveling kit. I do have some interior pieces which are coming as well. Also, I've got some more little accessories for the exterior, so that will be coming up here in the next few weeks. So if you guys aren't already, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Drop me a like, let me know what you guys think I should be doing with the Tundra. So right now, my goal with this, because I do have the Tacoma for my off-road and weekend warrior truck, this has been my daily driver. As you guys can see, we've got 2 baby seats in the back with extra room for one more, so you never know, I might throw another baby seat back there. Probably not though. And I'm thinking this thing will be used mainly for towing, so we'll be doing some towing videos with this as well, with some boats and RVs. That'll be upcoming. If you guys do have any like requests on that note, drop it down below. That's all the time I have for you guys today. Super short video, as I'm just running some errands. And you know what, until next time, I hope you guys have a great day. See ya.